Amazon Basics Double Walled Stainless Steel Electric Kettle. The Amazon Basics Double Walled Stainless Steel Electric Kettle is a product offered by Amazon's own brand, Amazon Basics. Here is an overview of its features. Capacity. The electric kettle has a capacity of 1.7 liters, allowing you to boil a large quantity of water at once. Double-walled design. The kettle features a double-walled construction, which helps in retaining the temperature of the water. This design also ensures that the outer surface remains cool to touch, enhancing safety during use. Stainless steel construction. The kettle is made of stainless steel, which provides durability, corrosion resistance, and a sleek appearance. Power and wattage. The electric kettle operates at 2200 watts, enabling it to heat water quickly and efficiently. Customer ratings. The product has received a rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars from 1,400 customer reviews, indicating positive feedback from buyers. Amazon's Choice. The kettle has been designated as Amazon's Choice for the search term Amazon Basics Kettle, suggesting that it is a well-regarded and recommended product in its category. Price and savings. The Amazon Basics Electric Kettle is currently available at a discounted price of 1,399 rupees, with a 44% savings on the original price of 2,500 rupees. Color. The color of the kettle may vary based on the available options. Inclusive of all taxes, the price mentioned includes all applicable taxes, so there are no additional charges. The Amazon Basics Double-Walled Stainless Steel Electric Kettle seems to be a popular and well-reviewed product, especially considering its Amazon's Choice status and positive customer ratings. The 1.7-liter capacity and 2200 watt power make it suitable for boiling water quickly for various purposes. However, as with any purchase, it's essential to read more customer reviews and conduct further research to ensure that the kettle meets your specific needs and preferences.